Hi everybody, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how to take apart an antique Benjamin socket lamp. This is a 1920s kind of lamp. You can't ship these things without breaking the beautiful glass, so you have to take them apart. Simplest way to take these things apart, and I'm already partially done it, so I apologize I didn't start the video sooner, as at the top of these Benjamin sockets, that's the two down-facing light sockets. Inside there is threaded. Right where that cord comes from, there's a threading in there, and that goes to usually a cast iron pipe threading there. So you unscrew that, and you can start to slide all the pieces off. I've just started doing that, but that's you have to undo the top first. Then to get the pieces off, it is easier, rather than to take apart the Benjamin socket up there, it's easier to go to the other end, and depending on your cord, this is an original cord, Bakelite, there are only two screws there, two flathead regular screws. Undo that and you can pull or slide the cord out of here, and then once you unscrew this base piece, everything will slide off and you can package individually. I'm going to undo the well, first I'm going to undo this. Be careful, old, fragile. So you'll need a pair of slip pliers to hold the pipe, and have somebody else turn this while you hold the pipe securely. I've got my adjustable wrench. I'm going to clasp the cast iron pipe and then grab it at a corner and just give it a little nudge and it will unscrew. There we go. Slide it well away from the glass. And next thing, we'll take the plug off and we can slide everything off. So I'm going to slide this down so I can lay it flat. Okay, the next step is simple again. With the old plug, this one's an old Bakelite, there's two screws that holds the cord on. Just undo those. It's a lot simpler to take it off this way. That way you don't have to fish that 8-foot cord or whatever it is all the way through that little pipe. You can see there the little brass screw is ready to come out, and you can see how the copper wire is wrapped around it. Just pull these out. There, it came off. Put these in a little Ziploc bag for shipping with the plug itself. There we go. And now, okay, just slide this out now, a little pressure. There you go. So now this will slide through all the parts. Okay, just throw these in the Ziploc. Now, you can pull all this stuff apart. Pulling the cord through it. Go ahead and wrap that. Here's the real reason we take apart the lamps. Are these glass pieces. They're beautiful, dusty from 75 years of dust. And we can take apart all the other pieces. The washer, little leaf thing, this little other leaf thing followed by a square piece, glass, top of the glass, another square pipe surround. This washer goes to the bottom of the glass bulb, and there's another one on the other side, and then that's followed by, again, some square tubing. So we'll slide everything that's on this pipe off in that order, and you can just reassemble that way. So the longest piece you will have to ship is that pipe. Okay, that's how you disassemble an antique lamp for shipping. Protect the glass, they don't make it anymore, and you want the original stuff. Okay, once you have everything off, it's a really smart or clever or good idea to label each piece as you do it. And if it's not clear, which is the top or the bottom, you can throw that in there, like number 1, then a washer, then a little flower, then another flower thing, then 5, 6, 7, that's the top, that's the bottom, 8, where's 9? Oh, 9 is the pole, top and base, 10, 11, 12, you get the idea. And then the longest piece you'll have to do is the height of the lamp, usually the center pole right there. Put a little knot in the cord loosely so it doesn't accidentally get pulled through the pipe. Tape it down, wrap the head in bubble wrap, and you're good to go. So it's not incredibly difficult. You just need to be a little bit careful. And it's a lot of times it's easier to ship this and all this in a separate box than try to get that long pole and all this in the same box. That's just me. Okay, thanks for watching.